Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about something which I've learned recently and have taken 26 years to realize. I was actually doing research for one of my other videos comparing the different low carb diets, and it was actually through researching for that video that I came across I'm going to talk about in this video, and that is to do with nuts or lack thereof. So first of all, what is a true nut? So it's classified as a hard-shelled fruit that do not split open to release their seeds, and botanically they all come from the same group of plants. So what are examples of like true nuts? So we have, first of all, hazelnut, acorn, and chestnut, and that's it. That's the common ones which I found. There are lots of other types, but these are the main ones which like people eat, and even acorns like people don't eat. But it's pretty much hazelnut and chestnut. So what are the so-called fake nuts that I thought were nuts, and that I'm sure a lot of other people thought the same? Peanut, almond, cashew, pistachio, coconut, pecan, macadamia, Brazil, and walnut. So these all technically aren't nuts, which blew my mind. So if they're not nuts, then what are they? Well, a peanut is a legume, like beans. Almonds, which is the seed of a drupe. And I'll speak on the next slide about what exactly a drupe is. I didn't know, I'd never heard of it. Cashew is the same, pistachio is the same. Coconut is an actual drupe itself. So the ones before are the seeds of a drupe, and a coconut is a drupe. Pecan, same seeds, macadamia. Um, Brazil nut is the seed of a tree, apparently. And yeah, lastly, walnut, seeds of a drupe as well. So what actually is a drupe? Well, it's a fleshy fruit with thin skin and a central stone containing the seed. So examples are plum, cherry, almond, and olive. And there's a picture on the left there of some others like dates, apricots, nectarines, that kind of thing, even coffee. So most of these nuts are the seed of one of these kinds of fruits. So in summary, hazelnuts and chestnuts are like genuine nuts, but pretty much all the others aren't. And yeah, that was something which I learned about very recently. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.